promise.
That vehicle. Come over here, sir.
I did not run that light, that red sign, and you can ask.
So Wheatland is one way south,
everybody know what
and that truck was driving south. She came to the stop sign and then entered the intersection while he was driving south, and he hit her.
Excuse me. Why is it you believe him and not me? Why is it I couldn't have been right there already crossing, and then he keeps going? He don't even try to stop, officer.
I need your insurance.
Yeah, my insurance is right here. Yes, I like to have them dispatched out here. I don't want to give you my insurance. I'm going to give it to the other officer.
I will.
I asked for another one.
You're not going to get another officer. This isn't Burger King where you get what you want.
Yeah.
Today's video is a lesson on how stop signs work. Apparently, and I was not aware of this before, but there's a problem in the public where people don't understand how a stop sign works. I'm going to explain it to you now, and the officer in this video is going to explain it to the at-fault driver of this crash multiple times, and I don't quite think they comprehended even after multiple attempts. But if you enter an intersection and it has a stop sign, you have a responsibility to stop at that sign, then look both ways and not enter the roadway until you are sure there are no vehicles coming down the road. If you stop at a stop sign and then pull in front of a car and get hit, you are in fact the at-fault driver. This has been a public service announcement from Columbus Police Body Camera. Enjoy the video. What's up, man? Were you driving?
Coming down this road.
Okay.
She didn't stop at the stop sign. She hit me.
Coming from this direction?
No, she turned around.
So she was coming from that direction?
Yep. 154.
Okay. Do you have insurance on that?
Yep.
Do you have it ready?
I have my,
do you have insurance with you?
What?
Is your insurance stuff with you?
It should be in my truck.
Go ahead and find it. I'll be back in a moment.
Okay.
They did call a medic. It takes them a moment.
Right.
What's going on?
Huh? We're coming. Yes. Bring my purse, please, so I can show him my insurance and driver's license. Thank you. Okay. No, we're coming through the stop sign. We're already there. He's right there. He sees us coming, but he won't stop. He ain't do none of that. He just went ahead and hit me.
Why would he stop?
Huh?
Why would he stop?
No, he wouldn't. But if you're right there and you already see me right here, why not stop? If you're right there and you see me, because this is where we are, enough to where I'm turning with him.
You pulled out in front of him.
No, I didn't. But of course y'all gonna say that because any car that goes.
Did you have a stop sign?
Yes.
Okay. It's your job to make sure that there's no other cars in the intersection before you enter.
I tried to tell him, didn't I? I stopped at the stop sign.
Well, you can't go until you're not going to get hit again.
Oh, well, I can't go if he's still, what's the name? He came. And he was speeding.
He had the right of way.
I ain't trying to hear that shit.
This car register to you?
Wherever you want it to.
Does this car register to you?
Yeah, it's mine.
What's your name?
License and insurance.
What's your name?
Tina with the K. Shoot, I ain't trying to hear that shit.
That's your problem.
What's the name?
What's your phone number, Christina?
I don't got one.
All right.
Now, just give me whatever you want to do.
Hi. Someone bumped their head on the other side of the car.
Just needs this checked out. Is this the only one that
Yeah,
checked
as
out?
far as I know.
Tell me.
There's this one over here.
So you don't have your insurance with you?
It's on the way.
Okay.
My husband's bringing my stuff.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
He did it. As always.
Do you happen to have an ID on you, hon?
Yes, the car, and he kept going and
Okay, I just need your ID.
And I hit my head.
These guys will talk to you about that.
My head hurts really bad.
Okay, we got medics here.
Right now.
Medics are right
My
here.
head hurts and don't do that.
I'll get in a little bit. It is.
I'm already in the fucking stop sign.
Did you find that yet?
Yeah, I have them all right here, but I'm just looking for the most current. It's all the same.
No.
That's fine. I'll just put the company and a policy number now.
Example 192 will be code 2. We would take that 17.
Is this vehicle registered to you?
Yes.
I'll just write your tag down.
Copy 179 South Powell. Caller's Candace, her daughter, Angelina.
Who's that for you?
Okay.
What's your phone number?
Driver's license?
I'll pull it off of your license plate.
Okay.
What's your phone number? Okay. Where was your vehicle hit?
Right here on the nose.
Okay. Was she just going straight, or was she turning, trying to go south?
She darted.
Okay.
Now she's going to tell us how she's going.
She can say what she wants to say.
Yeah, there was a car coming this way when we were looking at it. We barely saw her dart out.
But you were just driving southbound.
Like a
And okay, so you just, this part of your car hit the front corner of her car. Did it spin her a little bit?
My car?
No, hers.
It slid her about that far, but she backed up, turned around a little bit there.
Okay.
It slid her, but maybe 2 or 3 feet. Not nothing major.
No, I know. Alrighty. Let me make sure, I'll just verify all the information. I'll get your report number, you can get out here. If she wants to act this way, I'll give her a ticket and I'll take the report, and your insurance company can go get it that way, okay?
Well,
Usually,
I mean, I got a new front bumper and we have to go buy a headlight. That ain't the point.
it's going to cost me maybe $50 to put a new
Yeah, I
headlight.
can spare mine.
yeah. Well,
But if she's going to act like this, you know,
she's going to have a ticket. It's going to cost her a couple $100 now, at a minimum.
Oh, but
You know what I
my
mean?
back in my back.
But in case she calls mine, I shouldn't have to call my insurance company. So they're-
I would call them, let them know that you were in an accident, let them know that the other driver was cited as at fault, and give them that report number.
Okay.
They can pull up that report number and they'll see my notes.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Thank
So yeah, there's nothing wrong with calling your insurance company, because they'll also contact her insurance company and make sure that she's responsible.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take care. Did you bring her insurance with you?
I got it printed out right here.
Okay, I need that.
So what happened?
She ran a stop sign and
No,
got
I
hit by a
didn't
car.
run it. I promise. I
That
did
vehicle.
not run it.
Here, come over here, sir.
I did not run it like that red sign, and you can ask
So,
my daughter.
Wheatland is one way south.
Everybody know what
and that
it is.
truck was
I've been
driving
here for
south.
34 years.
She came to the stop sign and then entered the intersection
No, I didn't.
while he was driving south, and he hit her.
Excuse me. Why is it you believe him and not me? Why is it I couldn't have been right there already crossing, and then he keeps going? He don't even try to stop, officer.
I need your insurance.
Yeah, my insurance is right here. Yes, I like to have them dispatched out here. I don't want to give you my insurance. I'm going to give it to this other
Okay,
officer.
I will.
I asked for another
You're
one.
not going to get another officer.
I
This isn't
am.
Burger King where you get what you
Hello?
want.
Yes.
190.
Yes, sir.
I believe my at-fault driver is calling in asking for a new officer.
Yes.
I have this under control.
Yes. Internal affairs. Then that's what I'll
Okay.
do. I need that.
All right, I'll just mark on the
Yes.
ticket that you didn't give me your insurance,
Oh, no.
and you
I'll
can take it to the court.
because I got insurance.
Okay.
I got insurance. In here. Hello. I don't know where he went. Here. This is my insurance card. Right there.
What insurance company do you use?
Allstate. Here go all the information.
I can't read the policy number. What's your phone number?
614-972.
Okay. Go ahead and hang on up there. I'll be up with your ticket in a moment.
20 westbound to Hilliard Rome Ram.
You're right, bud.
No description of the victim's car, or it was a white SUV.
You just have kind of a perplexed look on your face. Are you going to sign this ticket for me, hon?
Right.
Does that mean I'm guilty? No.
Nope, that's not what it means. It just means that I'm giving you a copy. This is the copy of your ticket that I'm giving you right now.
When I go to court.
The court date is on October the 5th, 2022 at 9 a.m. 375 South High Street.
Please mark me out at 23.
Do you still live at with Eureka? Okay.
My thing is this, brother. This is why my face like this.
Where's my ticket?
There wasn't nobody out here but these two cars. How you know she was sitting in the middle of the street on the
Okay. This guy was going south.
How do you know?
There's only one way for him to go.
If the one
There was
going
also
this
two
way,
people in the
what
car.
I'm saying to you is this, and
But
you gotta
there
do
was
it.
two
And,
people
hold
here,
on, baby.
too.
Hold on, baby. You gotta do it all the time. When you come to this stop sign, if you look and see them cars are down, you can't see half that shit going down that fucking street.
Okay.
So you pull out just a little bit more. Now I done did it, you done did it, and I know everybody and mama did it. But my thing of it is this: if you, that truck seen this halfway decent car, look like it's got insurance. So some people have the tendency to do that. So it's kind of a what's thing, because my daughter said she sat there and watched and said, "Mom, here he come, bam." You know,
She
like he
then,
didn't stop.
what she did is she warned mom multiple times that there was a vehicle coming.
No.
Is what you're describing to me.
But
she didn't warn.
she
Okay.
She said, "Oh."
He-
That's all she said.
He has the responsibility to drive straight down that road. She has the responsibility to stop and not enter that roadway.
But they both do.
No.
No.
When you're going south on that road, there is
He
no
don't
stop
gotta
sign.
stop.
But what I'm
No,
saying
he
to
doesn't
you-
have to
No,
stop.
but
If you pull out in front of
he
him,
could just hit me.
you pulled out in front of him.
No, I
my
didn't,
point being,
officer.
you can't pull out
That's
in
what
front
I'm
of them
saying.
if
I was
if
already
you've seen
in
the
there.
car,
He
dude.
speeds up and he keeps
He did not.
going.
He continued southbound.
How do you know?
Go ahead.
The point I was making to
Yeah,
him is
but
this.
he's
Point
not
I'm-
listening.
The point I'm
He
making
don't
to
see it. No,
listen
it's
to me.
because I ran the stop
point I'm
sign.
making
That's
to
how
you
I'm
is
gonna hold that.
You did
He
not
don't know-
yield.
He don't know when on,
I
and
didn't.
the other
How
guy
didn't I
don't know.
yield when I turned with
It's
him?
just called
How didn't I
speculation.
yield?
You still
I
pulled
turned
out
with
Called
him.
speculation.
I turned
Okay.
with him
It's
to
called
keep him from
speculation.
All
hitting.
right.
Stop.
Good luck with that.
Yeah.
Fail to yield from a stop sign is the citation that you were issued.
False speculation.